Welcome to my YouTube channel ELIP for All Mean English Learning Institute program. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press bell icons. Thank you. Learning English tenses can be made easy with a structured approach. Here are some tips to help you. 1. Understand the basics of tenses. Tenses are divided into three main categories: present, past, and future. Each category has four subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. 2. Start with present tenses. Learn present simple first. Used for facts and habits. Example: she plays cricket every day. Then move to present continuous. Actions happening now. Example: she is playing cricket. 3. Use visual aids and tables. Create a tense chart with examples. Highlight keywords like now, yesterday, tomorrow. 4. Focus on common patterns. Simple tenses. Subject plus base verb, he works. Continuous tenses. Subject plus is am or plus verb, ing, he is working. Perfect tenses. Subject plus has, have plus past participle, he has worked. Perfect continuous. Subject plus has, have been plus verb, ing, he has been working. 5. Practice with examples. Write sentences for each tense. Convert sentences from one tense to another. 6. Learn with daily life examples. Use tenses to describe your daily routine or past future plans. Example: present simple: I wake up at 7 a.m. Past simple: I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. Future simple: I will wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. 7. Watch videos or use apps. Watch YouTube videos that explain tenses with visuals. Use apps like Duolingo or Grammarly for practice. 8. Practice conversations. Practice speaking sentences in different tenses with friends or tutors. Would you like me to create a visual chart or guide for learning tenses?